Utensils. Knife. I am cutting vegetables with a knife. Peeler. I am peeling a carrot with the peeler. Rice cooker. I am cooking lunch with a rice cooker. Hand mixer. I am mixing cake ingredients with a hand mixer. Tongs. I am serving shrimp with a pair of tongs. Plate. I am keeping buns on the plate. Mug. I am drinking lemon tea from a mug. Glass. I am drinking juice from a glass. Bowl. I am putting the noodles in the bowl. Lemon squeezer. I am squeezing the lemon with a lemon squeezer. Jug. I am pouring juice from a jug. Saucepan. I am preparing an omelette with a saucepan. Pot. I am cooking food in a pot. Rolling pin. I am rolling dough with a rolling pin. Mortar and pestle. I am grinding chili in a mortar and pestle. Whisk. I am mixing the butter with a whisk. Masher. I am mashing potatoes with a masher. Blender. I am blending fruits with a blender. Measuring cup. I am measuring water with a measuring cup. Pastry board. I am rolling dough on the pastry board. Strainer. I'm straining the tea using a strainer. Weighing scale. I am measuring meat on a weighing scale. putting bread in the toaster. Microwave oven. I'm heating food in the microwave oven. Refrigerator. I'm putting things in the refrigerator. Spice box. I'm storing spices in the spice box. Kettle. I'm boiling water in the kettle. Chopsticks. I am taking food with chopsticks. Fish dryer. I'm drying fish in the fish dryer. Pressure cooker. I am cooking meat with a pressure cooker. Oven mitts. I am taking a hot bowl out of the oven with oven mitts. Colander. I am washing vegetables with a colander. Butter knife. I am slicing butter with a butter knife. Cutting board. I am cutting vegetables on the cutting board. Cooking brush. I am applying butter with a cooking brush. Spatula. I am mixing curry with a spatula. Fork. I am eating sausage with a fork. Spoon. I am putting the sugar from the spoon into the glasses.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe please.